Hi, I'm Dr. Narmatha Jayabal, a root canal specialist in Dr. Joy Dental Clinic in the Burjaman branch. Why do we need a microscope to do a root canal treatment? Well, a root canal treatment requires the clinician to be precise, focus on detail, and have an impeccable vision. And the microscope facilitates just that, vision and illumination. With an enhanced vision and magnification up to 20 times, the clinician is able to see the narrow anatomical structures and ensure that they're completely cleaned and filled. Not using the microscope may lead to missing these important structures and failure of the root canal treatment. Every teeth has anatomical variance and no two teeth are the same. So if you can't see it, you can't treat it. I'm Dr. Narmatha Jayabal, a root canal specialist of Dr. Joy Dental Clinic. So if you have a tooth pain and you need a root canal treatment, come see us.